Hey everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Sell Those Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, I'm going to show you the location of the starter relay in a 2002 Ford Expedition so we can get your truck back started and back on the road. Let's get into it. Here we are, guys, on the 2002 Ford Expedition with the 5.4 liter Triton engine. As you can see right there by your battery, I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to point at it with the finger. There is your starter relay fuse, your starter relay right there. If you are turning your ignition and you are getting no click at all, before you replace your starter, thinking it's that or a bad battery, okay, check your starter relay as well, okay? Make sure you load test the battery, check your starter relay, and then check your starter. Those three things are prone to go wrong if you are getting a no crank, no start situation in your 2002 Ford Expedition. Hey guys, wasn't that easy? I mean, it's right on top. It's right on your firewall, easy to find and next to the battery. Now, I know you probably noticed in the video, the battery that was in there was actually the wrong one. We were trying to actually get a new battery, but I needed to do some testing on the electric system anyways, so I had a temporary battery in there. So guys, if you are turning your key on your ignition and that starter is doing absolutely nothing, no click, no nothing, it's your starter relay. You need to check that. There's three things when you get a no crank, no start situation that you need to check. One, it's your battery, okay? Two, your starter. And three, which a lot of people forget they even have because they kind of did away with from sitting right there, is the starter relay. That is your third thing and can actually be the key to getting your vehicle back on the road. So hey guys, thank you so much for checking out another episode right here on the channel. I hope you loved it because I loved making it for you and answering that question for you guys. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, now's the time, guys. Hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you hit the bell icon. That way you get notified of all the videos I release in the future. I also release multiple videos every single week, and I'm increasing all those videos I'm putting out there for my members to the channel. So if you want extra content, definitely check out our membership program, which, you know, is pretty cool as well, and can actually get you into the industry and know a little bit more about how to be a mechanic and how to make money in the industry, from just making repairs or even picking up a car yourself like I do and flipping it, give you and your family a little extra money. So guys, thank you so much again. I'm Zachary, and until next time, guys, hey, keep on wrenching. Take care.